Here's a challenge for you. Can you look into your webcam for more than 5 seconds? How about 10? We at Effective Presentations always say if you are the leader of your virtual meeting, or maybe you're just putting in your 2 cents, follow the 80-20 rule. 80% of the time that you are speaking, try to look right into that camera lens, not at the light next to it, right in that black hole. Why do we say to do this? Whenever you are the one speaking, if you look into your own camera lens, on the other side of that screen, whoever is watching you, they feel like you are giving them direct eye contact. Watch this. Let's pretend that you and I are on a Zoom call. If I was watching your face on my screen, this is what I would be doing. I want to look down at my screen to see your face. Does it look like I'm giving you eye contact now? Nope. All it looks like is I'm looking down. I can do that every once in a while to still make sure I'm looking at you or looking at my content. But if I am trying to talk to you, I'm going to move in between looking at my content and looking at you. See if you can give it a try next time you're on a virtual call. I'm Breelyn Bovey with Effective Presentations, and you can find us on Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube.